evidence comes in various forms. Empirical data from experiments, anecdotal stories, testimonial statements, statistical data, and logical reasoning. Recognizing the type of evidence is the first step in evaluating its strength and applicability. The credibility of evidence depends on its source. Reliable sources are recognized for their expertise, objectivity, and accuracy. Ask, is the source an expert? Is the information verifiable? Does the source have a bias? Scientific journals are generally more credible than opinion blogs. Not all evidence is equally relevant. Ask, is this evidence directly related to the claim? Does it address the main points? Is it timely and contextually appropriate? Relevance ensures the evidence is pertinent to the issue at hand. Sufficiency refers to whether there is enough evidence to support a claim. A single piece might not be enough. Look for multiple sources that corroborate each other. This triangulation strengthens the overall argument. Practice evaluating evidence by fact-checking information, comparing how different sources report the same event, and studying real-life cases where evidence was critically evaluated. Evaluating evidence enhances critical thinking, helping you build stronger arguments and make well-supported decisions. This skill is valuable in academic research and everyday problem-solving.